back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 5th to 29th of May 2025 on Monday. Desperate to keep his secret from coming out, Hlathi gives Qhawe an ultimatum while Dzuleka lays it down for Thumeka. Sydney puts a dangerous plan in motion on Tuesday. Qhawe takes a drastic decision about an ultimatum given to her, and it may push her to learn the truth sooner rather than later. Sydney set the plans to destroy Dzuleka in motion on Wednesday. Dzuleka's family reunion goes awry as Qhawe comes face to face with Magaba, leaving the truth exposed. Sydney is confident that his plan to deal with Dzuleka's betrayal will go smoothly on Thursday. Things heat up between Dzuleka and Hlathi and Qhawe. In light of the truth, Mawethu is ready to take things to the next level with Qhawe on Friday. After confirming hers and Hlathi's truth to Qhawe, Dzuleka now faces the hot seat as Qhawe demand more answers. Mawethu learns a shocking truth about Qhawe. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.